In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a self-learning AI agent in n8n. We'll walk through creating an agent that can chat, run autonomously, remember what matters, and improve over time. Start by opening n8n and heading to the workflows area where you'll build everything. Decide how you want the agent to start. If you want real-time interaction, add a chat trigger so users can talk to the agent directly. If you're automating background tasks, use a webhook trigger to receive events from other apps or a schedule trigger to run at set times. This choice sets the tone for everything that follows. Next, add the AI agent node. Think of this as the brain that connects to your preferred large language model. Keep the agent's instructions clear and scope to its role so it stays focused and reliable. Give the agent short-term memory by connecting a window buffer memory node. This preserves the recent conversation turn so the agent keeps context and avoids repeating itself. It's perfect for follow-ups like what was the last number again without cluttering the long-term store. To make the agent truly self-learning, it needs persistence across sessions. Set up a lightweight knowledge base using Airtable or Google Sheets. A simple structure that captures who said what when it was learned and any tags or topics works well and keeps things auditable. Use an Airtable node to write new information the agent learns, such as user preferences or verified facts, into the table. Save concise entries and include a source or reason field so you can trace why something was stored. This helps maintain quality over time. For recall, add a vector store node such as Pinecone or a database node to fetch relevant past information. Query by user or topic, bring back the most relevant entries and feed them into the agent as additional context. This lets the agent remember consistently across different conversations. Configure tool usage so the agent can act, not just talk. Attach safe, well-described tools the agent can call, like a calculator, a search function, or an internal workflow, so it knows when and how to use them. Add a refinement layer with a code node or careful prompt engineering. Analyze outputs and user feedback, detect uncertainty, and guide the agent to ask clarifying questions or revise answers when needed. Finally, make learning continuous. When a user corrects the agent, trigger an update that writes the corrected information back to the database, replacing or annotating the old entry. Over time, this loop turns your n8n agent into a reliable, ever-improving assistant.